Hi, my name is Fikri, and right now I will begin with the introduction. So for the introduction, engineering material refer to the group of material that are used in the construction of man-made structure and component. The primary function of an engineering material is to withstand applied loading without breaking and without exhibiting excessive reflection. The major classification of engineering material include metal, polymer, ceramic, and composite. Metal are commonly used class of engineering material. Metal alloy are especially common and they are formed by combining metal with one or more metallic and or non-metallic material. The combination usually occurs through a process of melting, mixing, and cooling. The goal of alloying is to improve the properties of the base material in some desirable way. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Afif. Let's talk about the processes involved in making these metals. Let's start with a ferrous metal first, iron. The grounds are first removed from open pit mines to expose iron ores. The iron ores are crushed and washed. They then go through magnetic separation, pelletizing, and sintering to remove contaminants. The refined ores are then transported to a blast furnace along with raw materials coke, sinter, and limestone. Hot air is blasted through the bottom of the tank and reacts with the coke to produce carbon monoxide, which will then react with the iron ore to produce pure iron. Limestone reacts with the impurities to form slag, which floats to the top of the blast furnace, separating it from the pure iron. The pure iron is then drained from the blast furnace and poured into ingot molds to form iron ingots called pig irons. And that's how iron is manufactured. Now let's move on to a non-ferrous material, aluminium. First, the bauxite ore that is mined is put through the Bayer process to produce aluminium oxide. This is done by crushing the ore, mixing it with caustic soda, and pumping it through a digester where it is heated. The solution passes through flash tanks, settling tanks, and claw filters to remove impurities. Material is then washed and left to crystallize. The seed crystals are then transferred to a kiln where they undergo calcining, which is a process of eliminating water and producing aluminium oxide. The aluminium oxide is then put through the Hall-Héroult process. This is where the alumina is poured into a reduction pot and electricity is ran through it. When a direct current passes through the solution, aluminium and oxygen are separated. The carbon rods attract the oxygen, forming carbon dioxide. Pure aluminium settles to the bottom of the pot and is siphoned out into molds to form aluminium ingots. That's how aluminium is made.
The human body is composed of just about every natural element in nature. Some of these natural elements are classified as metals and help our bodies to operate every single day. Thus, today, the use of metals in medicine is quite common. In the treatment of illness, for example, heal wounds, add supplemental value to our diets, and many more. Few metals used in modern medicine such as platinum. Platinum is a precious metal that has been used in a variety of medications and tools since the early 1970s. For example, platinum has proven to specifically detect tumors located in the head and neck region. The second one is iron. Iron is one of the most vital minerals in our bodies, and medical applications are mined from iron ore. For example, iron is used to prevent infection in wounds. The third one is zinc. Zinc is a metal found in every tissue of the body. For example, zinc is used to heal wounds. Zinc can also be used to treat a number of severe medical conditions such as Crohn's disease and Down syndrome. The last one is gold. Gold salt complexes have been proven to treat rheumatoid arthritis.
The next application metal in mechanical engineering is in automotive system. Metal is important especially when it comes to automotive system. Metal is commonly used to improve the performance of car traditional features such as suspension and work on aerodynamics. For example, suspension control arms are an important part in a vehicle. Conventionally, these parts were made of steel, a heavy metal. Their geometry was designed by means of traditional engineering methods. Today, most of the engineers try to use the much lighter aluminum to manufacture this part instead of steel. For the aerodynamic shape, spoiler, which is the most common aerodynamic accessories, was made by using aluminum and the main function of this is to disrupt the flow of the air. This design and innovation will lead to a better performance in automotive systems.
Okay, this is another application of metals. Metals was used most commonly in worldwide. They are commonly used in manufacturing machines, car, road, railways, aeroplanes, rockets, and others. The principal components in the building industry is metals. Metals are the main component in the construction industry. The key material used in the construction of building and even home are metals such as iron, steel, and among others. The high temperature resistant metals of nature are the most favorable.
In conclusion, we have to be grateful to God because He had gave us such an amazing and wonderful element like the metal. The metal have gave us such benefits to us that we had used in our daily life. My advice is use metal wisely, as I'm afraid it will go to waste if we use it uncontrollably and out of concern. That's all from us. I hope you enjoy our presentation. Thank you.
Get smart. Brought to you by